Forever provides opportunities for people all over the world who are ready to make a change. Whether you're simply looking for powerful products to help you and your family look better and feel better, wanting a little extra spending money, or ready to completely transform your life, Forever can help you get there. Determining exactly what you want to achieve in the short and long term is key to finding success. To reach your goals, you must first clearly know what you're working toward. Understanding your goals and motivations will determine the steps you need to take to achieve them and how hard you will need to work to get there. While having one or two big goals is wonderful, consider smaller goals and how they will impact your life in the short term. If your goal is to replace the income of your career so you can work at home and spend more time with your family, a smaller goal might be to make enough income to reduce your hours to part-time at the office. Next, consider the goals and dreams you have for your family. Maybe you'd like to take a family vacation, sign your children up for their favorite activities, or renovate a room in your home. Finally, what goals do you want to accomplish in your Forever business? Maybe you'd like to receive a share of the company's profits, qualify for the car plan, or be recognized as a manager in our marketing plan. The Forever Marketing Plan and its generous incentives were designed to help you achieve your goals and reward you along the way. Once you have determined your goals, your sponsor can help you determine exactly what you need to do to make them a reality. Whether you are looking for better health, a little wealth, or a complete lifestyle transformation, Forever has the products and the opportunity to help you get there.